it when rain a fall. Uptown flood out again. 34 them spend 1 3 man. And the traffic block up. Same way. How could life be like this when everyone should be giving thanks and praise? Good God, yeah. Trample them again, trample down the wicked ways. Hear Rastafari, mighty and terrible. Yeah. When man array could never be as terrible like when Jah array. Illiteracy makes the people search for only food for the belly and never make inquisitions on what ministers do with taxpayers' money. And downtown, no love when rain and fall. Uptown flood out again. At 34, them spend 1 3 man. And the traffic block up, same way. How could that be like this when everyone should be giving thanks and praises? Trample them again, trample them again. Heal Rastafari, mighty. Alright, mighty. Now believe in yourself. Good God. Well, yes. You got to believe in yourselves. I say, you got to believe it. I will be you and I wind down. If I tell you say that you jive down. How you spend your pay, that's so you lie down. Make the most of opportunity when nothing in a life not for me easy. Put deeper things in my life will not please me. I change the ones I can't change and the ones I can't change. Born a slave and take it off of me brains. Stay, every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the chance come, don't play. No way, so they think stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. I rub up with him. I want you to listen to this song. Him about back candle and I rub up with island, no stop from sprinkle them powder. But me too and fall over and them think it's all over, but me get up. Just start over. But if afraid me out, no for them let me down. Do a lot of things and try to get me down. Only keep the fire and keep me safe and sound. Could I never take me for clown, so the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the chance come, don't play. No way, so the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. Hear them? Hey, see it, and you must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. Never give up, no way. You must never give up. Say, shh. I went to second and sticking. And no food now in the party in the kitchen. The cheese up it touch it, I walk my foot in my car. Now we ain't got no guy to make it happen. Cause I have learned to motivate myself, depend on me myself and I in no one else. And Rastafari be my word with confidence. So everything I do it makes sense. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man got their ways. So when the chance come, don't play. No way. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. Red hot, you must never give up, no way. You must never give up. I tell you, say never give up, no way. You must never give up. Mighty. I want the brand new. When I get used to it, I know that. Now we're here celebrating the legend, legendary, with an album called Legend, which has sold over 25 million copies. We're not only celebrating legacy, but we are celebrating dynasty. With the likes of Stephen Marley, Damian Jr. Gang Marley, Juju, Kimani, and Ziggy, and then the grandkids, YG, you know what I mean? And we have Skip, and the list goes on. So right now within reggae, we are celebrating dynasty and not just legacy. And you've heard them say it before, 3 generations in Morgan's heritage also. I'm hoping for mine to grow. My son is doing music, Rastafari. And tonight, you don't know, we are rebel everywhere we go. And we're well rebellious. The red flag that against my name. Ready? Healing. Heal Rastafari and live mighty. We refuse to be what you wanted us to be. Yeah. We are what we are, and that's the way it's going to be. Heal Rastafari. Well, you can't educate us for no equal opportunity. Talking about my freedom, people's freedom and liberty. Heal Rasta. Hey, we been dragging on that wine praise much too long. Rebel, hey, rebel. Yes, we been dragging on that wine praise much too long. Rebel, rebel. Babylon system is a vampire. Falling in fire, then soaking the blood of the soul for us. Yes, this dirty Babylon system is a vampire. Them drinking blood day by day. Yes, I see them building church and university. Look out now, deceiving the people itinerally. And then them graduated thieves and murderers. Them sucking the blood of the sufferers. Yes, why don't they tell the children the truth? Why don't they tell the children the truth? Tell the children the truth right now. They all should tell the children the truth. Tell the children the truth. They all should tell the children the truth. Yeah, we've been treading on that wine praise much too long. Repel, repel. And we've been taken for granted much too long. Rebuild, rebuild. From that very first day man touched the slave ship. Whip, 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 whip. No secret knocking. From the very first day man touched the slave ship. Whip, whip, whip. Shining on your white praise. Rebuild, rebuild. And we've been taken for granted. Hear Rastafari, mighty and terrible and judgmental God. Queen, Doctor, one love. All distinguished guests, one love. Miss Green, you're doing a great job. Marley brothers, do give thanks. So we burn them road. Oh, yeah, see, run the mountain down, yes. Hey, boom, hey, see, hey, fire burn a week, and all that every time. Babylon dead. Hey, run the mountain down, yes. Hey, see, boom, hey, like, boom, hey, see, fire burn a week, and all that every time. Would have never get it. Hey, so they try to use her and abuse her. Leave them with hey, fire burn a week, and all that every time. Could have never get it. Remember the days when people on the east side could go out on the west side and living. Remember the times we could party till the sunrise. Well, well, oh, well, well. It's all about the good old days. Mama told me about good old-fashioned ways. When peace and love was the order of the day. Courtesy and sentiment to anyone. Hey, you want to give me a mix? When mother calling, I know I know. And that she have had to, she do that one so. People never show that so. Boy, break it again. We don't have to live like that and live freestyle and every time African woman will you are on my mind. Search for a way. Know me and lady, well, this is the love. Hey, wakes me up so early in the morning. Yeah, unto me she's like a bird of light. And this is what a king man really desires. A princess and a lover and a wife. Oh, I wanna be right. Shh. God Almighty. It's so great to be here. You rise me up this morning, thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, give thanks to see the day as well. Cause the time is so perilous, and the mankind gets so dangerous. In this time we don't know who to trust. Oh no, but it's so easy. Give thanks and praise to Jah every day. It's so easy. Shh. I want to sing for the whole night, but time is on us, right? And this make me mankind no easy. Mankind no easy. You're the wicked. Rinse and shut it. No need to born, no need to beg.